So curly hair has a natural tendency for dryness, which means that curly hair is prone to get dry quicker as compared to straight hair. And that is because all the natural oils that our scalp produces to nourish our hair can travel down the length easily if the hair is straight. So in this situation, the most important tip that I can give you is combing. If you comb your hair a few times a day, then all the natural oils that your scalp produces will be distributed evenly over the entire length of the hair. And because curly hair holds more volume and it is difficult to comb through it, I recommend you stick with a comb and avoid using any brushes, as a brush has got more bristles and that can pull your hair really hard, which is completely unnecessary. And as for the comb, you can experience even more benefits if you use a wooden one. Because wooden comb has the ability to absorb oil, it can absorb it from your scalp and then distribute it to the ends more efficiently. Another thing you can do to keep your ends nourished is applying an essential oil to them. And yes, you can apply oil to the ends of your hair every day and they won't become greasy or oily, because the oil you apply is always getting absorbed in the clothing that you wear, the pillow you place your head on during the night, the blanket that you use. You get the point. So it is completely okay to apply oil to the hair ends every day. But on the other hand, I won't recommend applying oil to the scalp every day because that can make your head look really greasy and oily. Now, to keep your hair hydrated, you need to hydrate your body as well. Drinking more water might be a good start. That way, you're providing enough hydration to your body, and in return, your body will provide enough moisture to your hair. I don't usually say this, but in case you're using some sort of generic shampoo, I'd suggest you completely ditch that and go with a sulfate-free shampoo instead, as the sulfates present in others can really harm curly hair because they're already not receiving enough nourishment. One last thing that I'd like to tell you guys is that don't try to make your hair straight. Don't make up a mindset that straight hair is always good. There are some really great curly hairstyles which you can go for. It is just simple human tendency. We always want what we don't have. You may want straight hair because you've naturally got curly hair, and here I want my hair to be curly. So please don't grow your hair long just so that you can opt for some hair straightening treatment later. Okay, I'm done. Stay happy, keep chilling, keep vibing, and I'll see you around later.